Let me just welcome all of you. It gives me great pleasure to welcome all of you here today on the occasion of the launch press conference of the 10th edition of the Airtel Hyderabad Marathon. A warm welcome to Mr. Avneet Puri also, CEO, AP and Telangana Bharti Airtel. Airtel, of course, has been the title sponsor of the Airtel Hyderabad Marathon for the last 9 years, and this being the 10th year is a moment of pride for Hyderabad runners as well as Airtel. Last year, of course, as you know, because of the pandemic situation, we were not able to conduct the marathon, which left a sort of vacuum for us, for Airtel, for Hyderabad runners, and for the city as a whole. So this is our attempt to fill up that vacuum this year by going ahead with the marathon. Of course, every year we have the marathon in the month of August, generally the last week of August. But this year was a bit different. You know, the situation wasn't very conducive to marathons around August. So we're having it in December. But we hope to get back to August next year and get it back in the last week of August again. The marathon is on the 19th of December, and we'll have an expo on the 18th of December, which will have the BIP collection as well as a showcase of all our sponsors and partners. We look forward to all of you being there for the expo, as well as running in the marathon. And marathon, of course, we've got the half, the full, and the 10K, which will be on the 19th of December. Runners, as you know, is a very small community, very close-knit community. And all over India, people are waiting for events to start. We've been getting inquiries from people all over India on our social media page, on emails, as to when we would be having the Airtel Hyderabad Marathon. So we are looking forward to welcoming runners, not only from the city, from other places as well, to come and physically run the marathon with us here. Of course, there are some people who may have some travel restrictions because of the pandemic, or there are people who may be from out of the country who may not be able to make it here. For them, we are also having a virtual run, which is for the first time that Airtel Hyderabad Marathon is including. So in essence, it's going to be a hybrid run. Of course, we want people to come back on the streets, get back into action, get back on healthy lifestyles and run physically here with everybody else. But for those who can't, the virtual option is always there. Like we did for the last 2 years, we have a AIMS certified course. AIMS is the International Athletics Association Federation, which is now, of course, it's World Athletics. So we have the course measured, and this will also enforce, or rather this will also entice international participation. So we're looking for elites, Indian as well as elites from abroad, to come and participate in the race and give it a big fillip. This year, our medical partners are care hospitals, and we are working with them closely to ensure safety of the runners. Social distancing norms, masks, and whatever other restrictions or whatever other measures we need to keep in place to minimize the health hazards, they will be there. And we want to give the runners a good experience and a safe experience. So this year, the focus will be, as usual, on runner experience, but more on safety this year. Since we had the pandemic last year and part of this year also, I know many people would not have probably been into training, or people would have been a little sedentary. So Hyderabad Runners has come out with a training program also, initially with the Couch to 5K, where people can just get back into running, get back into shape, into some kind of fitness form. And we also have the marathon training programs for people who haven't been running to get back into the running form. So we're looking for a good participation from people here, from the city as well as outside. And I appeal to the city to come, run the Airtel Hyderabad Marathon. If not run, then at least cheer and support it. The situation that we've been going through in the last couple of years, the government, the civic authorities, the police have all had their hands full in dealing with the COVID pandemic. But I think they've done a pretty good job, and we appeal to them to support this marathon and support the event and get people back on the streets this year. Airtel Hyderabad Marathon is synonymous with a designer medal as well as a very good t-shirt, and this year is going to be no different. We have a fantastic t-shirt which will soon be revealed to you, and a finisher's medal will be given to all the people who finish the race successfully. Runners, of course, see that as a collector's item, and there are many who treasure their medals in their offices or in their rooms with a nice medal hanger, and we want them to come back and add to their medal collection. Airtel Hyderabad Marathon has also always focused on charities, and we have charity partners coming in this year. We look forward to runners coming and raising some funds and funding these charities, a social cause which I think all of us should take up. Let me take this opportunity to thank all our sponsors, principally Airtel and other sponsors, there's GHMC, the police and the Telangana government for helping us get this event back on track. Thank you. So being a pandemic situation, one, we are going to have temperature checks for all the people who are coming in to run the marathon. But even before that, for people who are registering for the marathon, we'll be taking their vaccination certificate. And if they are not eligible for vaccination or if they haven't got their vaccination, they will have to give a RT-PCR negative test of the past 72 hours. And not only for the runners, this is also imperative for the volunteers and the organizing team. So we want to ensure that it's entirely, whoever is coming there is either vaccinated or COVID negative. Plus, at the finish line, we'll also be having masks to be given out to the runners. As you know, it's very difficult to run with the masks, but in the holding areas and after the run, we want to ensure that people stand there with the masks. As far as the holding areas and the finishing areas are also concerned, we'll be encouraging the runners to maintain their social distancing. The run starts from People's Plaza. The half and the full marathon starts from People's Plaza and ends at Gachibowli Stadium. Okay. The 10K usually starts from High-Techs, but this year there might be a change of route, so that we'll intimate to you later. We're conducting the Airtel Hyderabad Marathon like we do every year. This is an attempt to promote healthy lifestyles, and it's our own attempt to get people into a health and fitness regimen. So we want people to come, run the Airtel Hyderabad Marathon. And the marathon is generally a year-long engagement, so you keep training throughout the year, and finally on the day of the marathon, it culminates into your run. It's a gratification for having your training in the whole year and coming to run on the day of the event. So we look forward for the city to come and run, or at least cheer and support the marathon.